Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be diving deep into a fascinating problem related to reinterpretation of memory contents in C++. The problem we're tackling involves a code snippet that attempts to reinterpret memory contents as a different type without violating strict aliasing rules. This can be a tricky situation, so let's see how this is approached in the world of C++. Now, let's talk about the solution to this intricate problem. The key lies in understanding how std memmove works in relation to union types in C++. The solution provided explains that std memmove is defined to implicitly create and start the lifetime of implicit lifetime objects, ensuring that the behavior is well defined. Additionally, using std start lifetime as is recommended as a more straightforward approach in such scenarios. Remember, the magic lies in enforcing a strict aliasing barrier across memory with functions like std memmove. In summary, we've explored a complex problem in C++ involving reinterpretation of memory contents and strict aliasing rules. By understanding the intricacies of functions like std memmove and union types, we've uncovered a solid solution to tackle this challenge. I hope you found this discussion insightful and informative. Remember to subscribe for more intriguing tech topics, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!